When it comes to design files, what is a common documentation mistake that you often see?
It's getting more and more common with these inventor companies, right? Where somebody has a great idea, wants to develop a new medical device. And what they've done is gone and found a manufacturing organization, a CMO, that helps them develop it. And then when they're done developing it and they have working versions of this device, they come to us for submission. Well, what they didn't realize was that the CMO was not documenting requirements, was not documenting a risk file, was not documenting anything except for the manufacturing process. They're not development organizations. They will help you develop your device, but it's very common for a CMO, especially when doing early development with a inventor style company, that there'll be red lines, things won't be properly rev controlled, there'll be notes in the margins of all these documents. And these clients get real upset when I am unable to cobble together enough information and documentation to capture the necessary design outputs. So we have to go fishing for a bunch of additional information and specifications. Frequently, we'll find out that the manufacturer sourced a component or a material here that was just left over from another project, and that material didn't have any controls around it. So now we have to do a bunch more testing to make sure that is compliant to the standards. It costs so much more money than they're anticipating when they thought the device was done. They thought it was all developed. We just didn't write it all down. We didn't establish our requirements in advance. And we didn't properly plan for the testing that was going to need to happen. And it's very surprising to clients when this happens.